Welcome to our discussion on a resource vital to us all, shared water. Managing the world's transboundary rivers and aquifers is a complex task involving international law, politics, and engineering. With over 286 shared river basins and hundreds of shared aquifer systems, covering nearly half the Earth's land and supporting billions, cooperation is crucial, but often challenging. Pressures like population growth, climate change, and pollution are mounting. International water law offers a foundation. Think of the UN Watercourses Convention or the Water Convention. These build on principles like equitable and reasonable use, essentially, sharing fairly. Another key idea is preventing significant harm to other states. And if you're planning something that might affect a neighbor, you should give them prior notification. While these principles are recognized, there's no single, universally binding treaty. Many agreements are just between two nations, and they often struggle to adapt to new challenges like climate change. Enforcing them can be tough. A promising concept is benefit sharing, looking beyond just water volume to share broader economic and social benefits, like from hydropower. Then there's hydropolitics, the power dynamics and national interests at play. Power imbalances, like an upstream country versus a downstream one, heavily influence outcomes. Sometimes we see hydrohegemony, where a powerful state dictates terms. Competing demands for water, for agriculture, energy, industry, create friction. Water scarcity, made worse by climate change, can heighten tensions. However, cooperation is possible, especially when benefits are clear, common goals exist, or third parties help. Strong institutions like river basin organizations can build trust. Engineering also plays a huge role. We build dams, irrigation systems, and treatment plants. Mathematical models help predict water availability and allocate it. Modern monitoring, including satellite remote sensing, allows us to track water quantity, quality, and even groundwater levels across vast areas, promoting transparency. The goal is integrated water resources management, which sees water as more than just a technical issue. It's social and economic too. Crucially, effective management needs robust data sharing between countries. Let's look at a few examples. The Indus Waters Treaty between India and Pakistan from 1960 has largely held, even through conflicts. But the Nile River sees significant tension, especially with Ethiopia's Grand Renaissance Dam, due to historical agreements and competing interests. In contrast, the Lesotho Highlands Water Project is a success story of benefit sharing between Lesotho and South Africa. In conclusion, governing international waters is a delicate balance. We have legal principles, but politics often takes center stage, and engineering provides tools that can be both solutions and sources of conflict. To move forward, we need to embrace benefit sharing, strengthen legal frameworks, promote data transparency using new technologies, address power imbalances, and use hydrodiplomacy to turn potential conflict into cooperation for sustainable and fair shared water management.